In the meantime, the Philippine National Police and the Bulacan Provincial Government inspected fireworks stores in Bocaue, Bulacan, today stepping up efforts to ensure public safety ahead of the holiday season. Ryan Lesigas reports.
It was raining earlier today, but the scheduled inspection by the Philippine National Police and the Bulacan Provincial Government of fireworks stores in Bocaue, Bulacan went on as planned. During his rounds, PNP Acting Chief Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. personally checked on fireworks vendors and reminded them of the existing laws regarding the sale of illegal fireworks.
Wala akong paputok dito na illegal.
Hindi po kami nagtitinda. Hindi po talaga kami nagtitinda.
Some fireworks vendors welcomed the visit of the PNP to their stores. They said that this way, they can show that they are not selling any illegal fireworks.
Dito naman karamihan sa amin dito, walang tindang ganon. Yung mga pinagbabawal na yung mga plapla, yung mga tuna, kabase mo. Kasi mula pa nung dati, talagang hindi kami nagtitinda ng mga bawal na yun. Kasi alam namin, magtitinda kami, tatago namin, mahulihan kami, mapasarap pa yung tindahan namin. Mag-i-interest kami sa konti roon. Kung makadisgrasya pa, di ba? Siyempre, ang gusto rin namin yung gumagamit ng paputok, laging safety rin pa rin nila una.
The primary objective of the PNP's inspection is to ensure order and prevent the loss of life and property during the holiday season.
For 2025 at pagsalubong ng 2026, nandito tayo lahat at ipapakita natin ang ating pagtutulungan para maiwasan ang loss of life or masunugan loss of property.
General Nartates added that the cooperation of local government units is a big help to the National Police in maintaining vigilance to ensure a safe and orderly holiday celebration. Meanwhile, Bulacan Governor Daniel Fernandez stressed the importance of regulating the sale of fireworks. The governor explained that while livelihoods are being considered, public safety must not be compromised.
Ang prinsipyo ay simple lamang. Hindi po dapat mas mahirap ang maging legal. Mas dapat pahirapan ay tugisin ang mga illegal.
Meanwhile, starting tomorrow, the Bureau of Fire Protection or BFP will also be under full alert status or code red. Under full alert, there will be a nationwide deployment of BFP personnel for immediate response to fire incidents and other emergencies to ensure public safety. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.